So you guys wondering why I didn't record today, huh?
Yeah, really.
Holy shit.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's get a bit. Never mind, keep in mind, that is range right there. Those are... the gutters. See that box right there? Yeah, it's dead. Steel street right there? Scary. See that tree right there? Again, scary. You think we're in the middle of a freaking hurricane in Florida, but we're in the mountains in Georgia. No, seriously, this is actually mountain town. Just talking normally during a storm like this. But good news, guys. I'm done my classes, so again, I will be recording more. I got my shelf here. Piece of it. The other piece is over there. It's actually a lot cleaner than that one for some reason. That's me. I don't even know myself. Okay, that's lightning. I backed out of here.
Mommy,
I make bacon.
Mommy.
Yes, no.
I did our homework.
On a weekend?
Yes.
Dude, I'm recording.
How'd your video do? Huh? How'd your video do?
I'm still recording.
Mine's all
Tell them how proud you are.
proud of you. Oh man, this is my baby. This is the proudest, biggest moment of your life, and I'm so happy and so proud of you because you did it. You did it.
She scares me when she does that.
Yay. You're my buddy.
That's my hand.
I'm still gonna send you to the Steve Harvey show.
Oh yeah, that's another thing I want to tell you.
You wanna go to the Steve Harvey show? My hair's a mess. Paul.
Yeah, no, let everyone see
My
me.
hair is a mess. I just took it down in a ponytail, and you're letting everybody see me look this bad. Just for
You don't
that,
look
because
bad.
I'm no
Come
more
on.
in my hand.
And here's why. All because I did one thing. So, take my phone and show them.
Because, let me tell you, this boy could be a great, wonderful stand-up comedian because this is how he imitates Steve Harvey.
Okay, so she got away with a ticket from speeding.
Yeah, I did.
I was flirting with her. And I was like,
I did.
what? Am I hearing this correctly?
Yeah, Mama got away with it. I might be old, but I still got it, man. Yeah.
So yeah, my girl is crazy.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
We got our dogs here. We got to keep them in the kennel right now.
Yep. They don't like it.
They got a nice backyard though. But as you can see, I just opened the door and I get drenched.
You get drowned. You go over the door, you get drowned.
I just had a nice little shower on camera. Look at my arm.
Oh, don't get your phone wet. That door right there was drowned.
No duh.
I know. I got drowned when we walked in. It's a good thing we got the dog in and hurt thunder.
Keep in mind, this is our front yard and it's being flooded. It's that much rain here. I actually have to yell in order to talk to you guys. And Sign! I'm yelling to the water god. Shut up. Leave me alone. Seriously, look at that. That is our yard right there. God, that's lightning again. Me no like. Me no likey. Me no likey at all. No. Oh, seriously, look at that box though. That box is killed. I'm gonna wash my shelves off in the rain apparently. You be quiet, Sky. I'm trying to record you. I'm trying to record your beauty and anger. Mostly your anger. What are you angry about? Go too fast. I just did it. What?
My hair got wet and I never even left the porch.
That's sad.
It's wet and I never even left the porch.
My shirt might be wet.
Now my floor's wet.
So you guys want to see the progress on my room? Booyah. Just kick the door open all the time. So this is my room. You guys turn on the light. I forgot I had to pull the chain. But boink. This is gonna be my room. Also, my recording time is pretty limited because of since I downloaded a game. Download some Candy Crush Saga. Shut up, leave me alone. It's a fun game. It's addictive. I'm still able to record, so that's a good thing, right? Right. By the way, I won't be recording with the phone on the computer because I have fraps, so I just gotta figure out how to use it. Because apparently I'm a huge D for dongerdom. I know what I said. Shut up. Leave me alone. I'm saying that too much. That's a Jacksepticeye quote if you didn't get it. Actually, if you did get it. You'll get 10 thumbnail coins. Yes. And I'm wearing a shirt that says, nope, not today. Based off my clan on Call of Duty, it's the Nope Clan. Got a problem with it? You got a problem with it? You got a problem with it, bro? You got beef? You got beef with me, bro? You got the steak? I don't have a steak. Bob, did you eat my steak? Yes. You're an ass. He's an ass. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.